Hello, everyone. Welcome to this complete short course for the Cisco CCNA 200 301 certification, designed especially for beginners. I will guide you step by step to master everything you need to succeed. We will cover networking fundamentals, the OSI model, IP addressing and subnetting, routing and switching, VLANs, wireless, security basics, automation, and practical troubleshooting. No prior experience required. Clear explanations and hands on guidance will prepare you fully for the official exam. By the end, you will pass the CCNA with confidence and start your networking career. Follow every lesson, practice the labs, and let's master CCNA together. Your journey starts now. Let's begin.